What is the current state of protein therapeutics and how can we enhance their potential? Protein therapeutics, while effective, have limitations in stability, solubility, and binding affinity, making them less ideal for some therapeutic applications. To overcome these limitations, scientists have turned to metagenomics, leading to the creation of MEQ proteins. These genetically engineered marvels leverage metagenomically derived sequences to offer enhanced stability, solubility, and binding affinity, making them more versatile for therapeutic use. Enter the world of MEQ proteins, a revolutionary advancement in therapeutic protein engineering. So, what exactly are MEQ proteins? Well, these are genetically engineered proteins that utilize metagenomically derived sequences to create highly stable and versatile therapeutic molecules. They hold an edge over traditional protein therapeutics due to their enhanced stability, solubility, and binding affinity. This makes them ideal for a wide array of therapeutic applications. Moreover, they can be designed to target diverse disease-related targets, including enzymes, receptors, and signaling pathways. Thus, MEQ proteins are not just a step, but a leap forward in protein therapeutics. Let's delve into the therapeutic applications of MEQ proteins. Their unique properties make them ideal for treating a variety of diseases. For instance, in the battle against cancer, MEQ monoclonal antibodies target specific cancer markers, improving efficacy and reducing side effects. They're a notch above traditional cancer treatments due to their superior binding affinity and therapeutic outcomes. Moving on to neurological disorders and autoimmune diseases, MEQ proteins shine again. By enhancing therapeutic properties like stability, potency, and reduced immunogenicity, they prove effective in treating these conditions. In the field of regenerative medicine, MEQ proteins facilitate tissue regeneration and healing. They play a crucial role in wound healing, organ transplantation, and stem cell therapies. Moreover, MEQ proteins can serve as biomarkers, enabling early detection and diagnosis of various health issues. This, in turn, improves patient outcomes. From cancer treatment to regenerative medicine, MEQ proteins are transforming the therapeutic landscape. Now, let's take a closer look at some key MEQ proteins. Insulin analogues, for instance, are designed to enhance stability and controlled release for managing diabetes, improving glycemic control over current insulin therapies. Then we have recombinant enzymes, which replace deficient enzymes in patients with genetic disorders, offering improved stability and efficacy. Cytokines for immune modulation are engineered to enhance immune responses, working synergistically with checkpoint inhibitors to improve clinical outcomes. Antibody-drug conjugates selectively target and destroy cancer cells, minimizing exposure of healthy tissues. Growth factors promote tissue regeneration, while protein-based antivirals inhibit viral replication. Protease inhibitors target specific proteases involved in chronic diseases, effectively regulating protease activity. Lastly, hormone replacement proteins offer better management of hormone deficiencies with prolonged activity. These key MEQ proteins are paving the way for novel treatments for a range of diseases. MEQ proteins are indeed a game changer in healthcare. Their innovative engineering boosts stability, potency, and specificity, revolutionizing treatments for diverse diseases. From cancer to hormone deficiencies, their versatility promises novel therapeutic solutions. With their enhanced stability, potency, and specificity, MEQ proteins promise a brighter future for protein therapeutics.